Hello, welcome once again. This is your bartender, Johnny Diablo, for TheFNDC.com. This is our YouTube channel, and today we're making the red pear. You're going to need to assemble a few items. I have pear-infused vodka, a little pomegranate juice, a little simple syrup, which I whipped up myself, a lime, and a pear for garnish. This comes later. Okay, so let's go ahead and add 1.5 ounces of Pear Vodka to our shaker full of ice. Okay, to that we'll add 1 ounce of our pomegranate juice. Okay, and then 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. A little bit. Just a teeny bit. Okay, and then 1/4 ounce of lime juice. So we'll just cut like, I don't know, about 1/4 out of that. Okay. About 1/4 ounce there. Okay. Alright, let's shake it up. Let's see what we get. Okay. Alright. Strain it out. Looks pretty red. Looks pretty good. And then we give this like a little garnish of lime wedge and a little bit of pear slice. Okay, just like so. Look at that. Looks fancy, huh? Okay, let's try it. Tastes very much like a pear, but it's kind of sweet. Not too sweet, not too tart, it's just perfect. If you want to find drink recipes like this one and many more, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post videos all the time. And stop on by our regular website, TheFNDC.com. We do drink recipe articles, but we also cover our local scene here in Sacramento. We cover our favorite dive bars, happy hours, do interviews, all that jazz. Thank you for being here. We couldn't do it without you. And as always, happy drinking.